Twitch clips capture highlights from your streams, but sometimes they need to be removed for privacy concerns, content moderation, or personal reasons. This video will guide you through the process of deleting clips from your Twitch channel, helping you maintain control over your content and channel integrity. Remember that deleting clips is instant and irreversible once confirmed. First, log into your Twitch account. Navigate to your creator dashboard. On the left sidebar, find and click on Content, then select Clips. This opens the Clips Manager, where you can view and manage all clips associated with your channel. First, open your Twitch creator dashboard and go to the Clips Manager. Find the specific clip you want to remove by scrolling through your clips or using search filters. Once you've found the clip, move your mouse cursor over its thumbnail image. This action reveals additional options for managing that specific clip. After hovering, you'll see a three-dot menu icon appear, usually in the top right corner of the thumbnail. Click this ellipsis to open the Clip's Options menu. The menu will show several options, including Rename, Download, and Delete. Choose the Delete option to proceed with removing the clip. A confirmation dialog will appear to ensure you don't accidentally delete the clip. Click Confirm or Yes to proceed with the deletion. Once confirmed, the clip will be permanently deleted from Twitch servers and removed from your channel. It will no longer be visible to viewers, though any external shares may persist. To delete multiple clips at once on desktop, first access the Clips Manager in your Creator dashboard under Content, Clips. Locate the clips you want to remove. Use the checkboxes next to each clip's thumbnail to select them. You can select as many as needed. Once you've selected the clips, a Delete button will appear at the top of the page. Click the Delete button, then confirm your decision in the pop-up window to permanently remove all selected clips. This bulk deletion feature is especially useful when you need to clear out numerous clips quickly, saving you significant time compared to deleting them one by one. To delete clips on mobile, first open the Twitch app on your device. Navigate to your channel page within the app. Locate the Clips section on your channel page. Tap on the specific clip you want to delete. Look for the Delete icon, typically represented by a trash can. Tap the Delete icon and confirm the action to remove the clip permanently. As of September 2025, the mobile app also supports bulk deletion for managing multiple clips efficiently. Deleting a clip removes it from your Twitch channel, but shared links may still exist on other platforms like social media. Twitch does not notify viewers when clips are deleted. Once a clip is deleted, it cannot be recovered. Be certain before you confirm the deletion. If you want to prevent future clips, disable the clipping feature. Consider using Twitch's moderation tools to flag potentially harmful clips. Regularly review your clips to ensure they align with your channel's content guidelines and community standards. Proactive management helps prevent issues and maintain a positive environment. There are also rumors of future machine learning implementation that can suggest removals. Deleting clips on Twitch is a straightforward process, crucial for maintaining control over your channel's content. Regularly managing your clips ensures you protect your privacy, adhere to community standards, and present the best possible image to your viewers. With the added ability to bulk delete clips on mobile, clip management is more efficient than ever. Remember, deletions are permanent.